everybody, it's Jeff with AZCAMERA Reviews, and today I'm going to be speaking about this intercom. It's a Wuloo WL-888, and the reason I decided I wanted this was so that my wife and I could talk room to room, and we could also put a unit out in the garage. This unit actually is expandable to a few hundred units. It's very, very versatile, and I figured, what the heck, I'll give it a try. So I went out and I purchased it, and let's see what's in the box, okay? So let's open it up. And first thing I'm looking at is we've got a manual, and the manual's got some other little things in the bag. Then we've got, on the inside here, it looks like it's solid, but in all actuality, you've got two boxes, of which you've got two transmitter receivers. Now, like I said, you can expand this to many, many, many more. Now, let's see what's inside the box. We open up the box, and we've got, this is the main unit here. You've got a power supply, which has a USB on the back, USB type A. And then you have a power cable, which has the USB type A on it. And then it also has the power type plug that you're going to need for this particular unit. And then last but not least, let's unwrap it. You've got the actual unit, and I'll show you this on close-up. Okay, and what happens is this little antenna flips up, and usually what you'll do is you'll run it like this, or you can also mount it on a wall and keep your antenna up like this, and you would mount it like this. So let's go through the programming. I only have two units right now, and they come pre-programmed, but when I get my other units, I'll show you how to program those, but I'll just go through the programming procedure on the single unit. Like I said, if you order two, they're all pre-programmed, they're all on the same frequency. So let's look at how to set it up. Okay, so now I've got the two units here side by side. One of them I've got powered up and is running, and the other one I don't have powered up, and I'm going to show you how to hook that up, okay? So you've got your power supply here, and you have your wire. One end of this is going to go into the power supply, and the other end of this is going to go into the back of your intercom. So what you're going to do first is you're just going to come over here, and you're going to take this tie wrap off of this so that you have your wire free. I think it's about 6 feet, okay? And on the back of your unit, there is a little area right here that says 5 volts. And what you're going to do is you're going to plug this connector into the back of that, just like so. And then you'll turn it around. You have your antenna flipped up. And then what you'll do is you'll take this end of the connector and you'll plug that into this power supply, and then you will plug it in to the wall. Now you see they both came up. Now let's talk about basic channel setting on this intercom. This intercom here has just come out of the box, and this one is set for the default, which is channel 1, code 00. This one is already set up in my office environment for channel 2 and code 96. So what we want to do is have them both on the same frequency. So what we're going to do is go here into menu, hit the menu button, and we're going to hit channel up plus. There's on channel 2 now, just like this. Now you're going to hit your menu button again, and you're going to scroll back until that's on 96, just like this is, and you're going to hit your talk button. Now they're both on the same channel. Now let's talk about the Vox feature. This particular set of intercoms has a Vox feature, which means that you can speak for 5 minutes or so without having to push the talk button. So for this demonstration, I've turned the volume all the way down on this particular intercom so we didn't get feedback. So in order to use the Vox feature, what you'll do is you'll hit Vox. You'll see that will come up right here, the word Vox. And then what you'll do is you'll hit Talk. Your Vox will stay triggered, and the other intercom will be able to hear your voice for as long as you continue to speak. If you stop speaking for a moment, it will still continue to listen for your voice, and the other intercom will hear what's going on in the other room. When you're finished speaking, you just press the Vox button again, and the Vox light will go out, which means you're no longer talking continuously to the other intercom box. Okay, let's talk a little bit more about an advanced feature. Right now we're only using 2, okay? But let's say if we had 3. So let's say you want to put this one on 296 and you want to put the other one on 297. So what you would do is you would hit Menu, and then you'd leave that on 2, you'd hit Menu again, and then you would set the third one to channel 97, hit Talk. Now what happens is 3 units have different numbers, okay? So now when the boss or the head of the household wants to talk to all of the units at one time, all they have to do is hit Group. And now when he hits Group, he's able to talk to this system and he's able to talk to this system. I hope this has been informational for you. And now let's go and actually test these intercoms and see how they sound. Once we do that, we'll be back with the wrap-up. Hey, Nesbar?
Yes?
Are you busy right this second?
I'm not busy, just relaxing.
Okay. Do you think you can come into my office for a second if you're not too busy?
Sure. You have anything else?
No, nothing really important. I just need to show you something.
Okay, I will come in.
Thank you. So what do I think of the Wuloo WL-888 intercom system? I like it. It was easy to set up. Like I said, it comes out of the box. So you just open the box, you plug it in, you use it. But you can set it up for other stations. They've got 2 separate models. They've got one with 2 channels and they have one with 100. I got the one with the 100 channels, and that's the WL-888. And I believe the one with the 10 channels is a WL-666. So there you have it. I like it, think it sounds good. Connected all my rooms. Wife loves it. Until next time, I'm Jeff with AZCAMERA Reviews saying please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, please subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.